and I work as a freelancer and data analyst trainer. And this is our first class, so I would like to know each of you. Please introduce yourself, guys.
So Ranjita, all the participants here are from my, as I told you, from business analyst training program.
Okay.
So yeah,
Yeah.
so most of them are transforming their career from one domain to BA.
Okay. Means I want to know that they already familiar with Power BI or
No,
they are fresher or they
yes.
have experience.
So they are freshers. They don't have any idea on Power BI and other tools.
Okay.
They are freshers to that tool. So
Okay,
accordingly,
fine.
you can
Huh.
train.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, tell me.
Hi, my name is Fakia. So I have just finished my master's in international management.
Okay.
So I'm fresher, so I have no idea about Power BI.
Okay, good to know. What about others?
Hi,
Yeah,
this is
hi, Rajita. My name is Chetan.
trying to learn this Power BI.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
overall, I do have 7 years of experience, and I will want to learn this Power BI tool and add to my resume.
Okay, you have
Thank you.
experience in non-IT field.
Uh, I have experience in different sectors, from support executive to junior business analyst.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you.
go ahead, Chetan.
Yeah, I'm from the health insurance background, so I do not have any experience in Power BI.
Okay.
I'm just trying to transform from one domain to other.
Okay. Okay. Good. What about Ananya?
Hi, my name is Ananya. I have previous experience into non-technical side. I've recently came to Canada and I wanted to start into IT field here, join into IT field. So that is the reason I've chosen this Power BI.
Okay, good. What about Shrikant?
Yeah, hi. I worked as a supply chain executive in non-IT.
Okay.
Yeah, currently, I want to transform my career into BA.
BI,
Yeah,
okay, good.
yeah.
And in present market, BI is in a top position. So what and all you guys are chosen path, that is very good. And you guys will get a good development and good growth in this role. So please make sure to don't give up. Just spend your time, and we will provide our 100% effort from you to become a BI. And same way we are expecting 100% effort from you guys as well. At least practice 2 hours and utilize those times, and definitely we will make sure to you guys become a will help you to become a PI, means this your role. So let's get started.
Yeah.
And one more thing, we have a Microsoft community tab in Google. Please, I will show you guys how to join for that. Can you guys able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Yeah, we can.
yeah, just go to Google. Here we have a Microsoft community tab.
Ranjita, we are seeing your PPT, not Google.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to share entire screen.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yes. Can you guys able to see now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
Microsoft Community tab. This is the Microsoft Community tab. Just log in into this first one, and here I already logged in this tool. You guys enter your if you have any organization ID, don't use that. Use your personal ID. And here after login, you guys can able to see this type of screen. In this, you guys can see you have a lot of option here, and whatever new update will comes to BI tool, or any other doubts, have any other persons, everything you guys can able to see here, and within fraction of second, you guys, if you have any doubt, you can post here, and within fraction of second, other clients or other persons, everyone will give reply to guys. And if you don't have any doubt, just go at least, if you are using reels, right, instead of using reels, just use this Microsoft community, and just notice what and all doubts other persons used to post in tab, and what and all solution, almost everyone will give reply to that doubts, right? So just cross check that what and all the clarification they are getting. You guys will get little bit of idea, and any other, if you don't know any topics, you guys can able to learn new things here. So please, at least 10 minutes, use this Microsoft community. It will help you to gain knowledge. Yes, guys.
So we need to create a Microsoft account now.
Yeah, if you don't have any organization ID, also no problem. You can use your personal Gmail IDs and just
We can use Gmail for here.
yeah, you can use Gmail as well. And this is the free version, no need to pay anything.
Okay.
Yeah. And first we'll see, today is our first class, so I don't want to uh, explain more. Just will understand what is the concept for BI tool and how it will works and how to install. Everything we'll see in today class. And I would like to, class will be more interactive, and free feel to ask your questions. And if only I'm speaking in class, you guys also feel bored, right? So make sure to class will be more interactive, and I am expecting from you guys to ask question, or if you guys know anything, just share with me, and we'll discuss those topic also. Yes, guys, any doubt?
Okay, Ranjita.
Yeah. Welcome to IT Career Path. First, we'll see the agenda for BI tool. First agenda is the important of visualization, and second agenda is what is Power BI, and third agenda is top 5 reason why we are going Power BI. We have almost 30 plus BI tools, but why we are going for Power BI. And next agenda is how Power BI is work, and next we'll see installation part. And first one is Power BI analysis. This is the Google trend, and I will show you. First go to Google, and here just type Google trend, and this is the Google trend. And here what is the trending topic now? Okay, recently what happened in Kashmir, you guys already know, right? Jammu and Kashmir, a terror attack happened. So I will just explain those topic. Jammu and Kashmir, yeah. And I'm going to select.
Ranjita,
Yeah.
can you take
Yes.
another topic?
Okay, sure.
Use another example.
Sure. Oh yeah, IPL is going on, right? Anyone interested to watch IPL?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see IPL. Past. I'm going to select past 30 days. Here you guys can able to see there is a line, right? This is the Google trend. This is what we are going to do as a data analyst, means business analyst. And here you can see one strike line, one line is up and down, right? This is called a analysis in the sense what as a BI, a business analyst role is doing, major roles and responsibilities, analyzing the data. This is also analyzing the data. And here you guys can able to see one strike line is going up and down, and this is today's date. This is in like a dot because still IPL is going on, right? Means match is going on right now, so there is no proper result here. But in before days, you guys can able to see there is up and down. uh, this is April 29th, maybe there will be a high voltage match like RCB and CSK, or any other match, high voltage match, or any thrilling matches will be there, right? That time onwards, what will happen? People will search more about, they will get more interest, and they will search more about those what happened in match, and all people will get curious, and they will do Google search, right? What is the status, which team played well, everything, right? So that time our means business analyst will do, they will grab the all the datas per hour, how many people will watch cricket, and how many people will continuously watch, or else any other type of means ball wise data set. And in IPL, in cricket also, you guys can able to see within fraction of second that score will get changed, right? We have a we have a six balls in over, first ball or run will get, or any other kind of what to tell, score will get changed, right? That everything, or fraction of second, everything will happen, right? That and all, how it will happen? Because of our business and analyst has been doing those type of analytics within fraction of second. So this type of work you guys have to do. And here you can able to compare as well. Here IPL with compare with, okay, I will take RCB and CSK, and you guys will get okay, or else now the DC and SRH match is going on. I will take those information only. DC and SRH. Like this. DC. Yeah, here compare. I'm going to type SRH. And how many means how many teams you want to compare, you can add that many comparisons. And here you can see there will be flat line till, and not first day, I'm just going to select 4 hours. And yeah, here you can see spike line. Here DC is in blue color and SRH is in brown color. And here you can able to see both two lines, right? Graph kind of a graph. This is kind of a graph, and it's called a correlation chart. And here there will be like two colors, and you can see spike line between. This is a comparison between two teams. And you guys are getting my point? Yes.
Yes, yeah, yes.
Yeah, and here you can see 100. It means that not 100 persons or 100 people has been searched those information. It's not like that. Overall India, here you can able to see India, right? So overall India, 100 percentage has been searching those informations. And this option is called hour wise. If you want past 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or year wise, or 2014, and customize also, you guys can able to use. And category, if you want select category wise also, you can able to choose. And this is web search, this one you can't able to change. And this is the Google analysis. And as first your role is analyzing data. My first understanding point is analysis, in the sense what we need to do first, you guys need to grab the data set. After that, you guys need to convert a beautiful visualization like a line chart. After creating that, you guys need to convert into a beautiful report. And first thing, here again you can able to sort by category, like see here, this is the like how from which countries persons use, like the percentage wise you can able to see all this here percentage. Who is going to create this chart, this information? Business analyst. So your major role is analysis and creating like this beautiful chart. And here also you can see there will be like DC 52% and SRH 48%.